Hey there everybody, I am Kate Dillon from Crate Insider, and in this video I want to highlight some of our great gift ideas for the racer in your life. So check these out, and of course you can go to our website at CrateInsider.com and check out all the things that we sell, but we've even put together a holiday, kind of our top product holiday list that you can find over there on our website. Here's a holiday gift. It's a stocking for a stocking stuffer. Actually, these are fire-resistant socks. So for any of your racers that really want to get all head to toe covered up in safety, even socks, I mean, you know, you don't want to get burned up feet, and these socks are going to help. They've got the Carbon X. You can see that they're the Carbon X brand, and these will help protect the racer's feet in case of a fire. So you can find these on our website at CrateInsider.com. Our next gift idea for racers is our Carbon X underlayers here. So this is the pants version, and we also have like a long sleeve shirt version. What you do is you wear these underneath a fire suit. The purpose, this is a high performance fabric that is designed to not ignite or burn, and so it's that extra level of protection. When you're in a race car, you can never have enough protection against fire. It's really the #1 enemy. So for that racer in your life, whether you buy this for yourself or if you are someone who is shopping for a racer, this is a great choice. So we've got the pants, and we also have the shirts as well in multiple different sizes, and you can find them all on our website at CrateInsider.com. All right, this next gift idea is a little bit self-serving, but for any of the racers who are fans of our website at Crate Insider, we've got our Crate Insider t-shirts. We've got in all the sizes. It's a great stocking stuffer, and of course, this is an item that we offer free shipping on. So if you're looking for that gift or just that something extra that you want to have us throw in the box there for you, is our Crate Insider t-shirts, and it says the soft style because I like them this way. So this kind of like a heathered black. And you know, really low key. There's nothing on the back. They fit really. It's just a really comfortable fit. So Crate Insider t-shirt is another gift idea. With these chilly temperatures, I don't know if there's such a thing as having too many hoodies. So if you're looking for one more for your collection, we've got our Crate Insider hoodies right here. The nice big pocket. It's soft, and anyway, I love these. I should be wearing one, but I think mine was in the laundry, so I just am wearing a boring sweatshirt today. But I do love my Crate Insider hoodie, and that's another great gift idea. One thing that every single racer needs before they get behind the wheel of a race car is a helmet. And you know, maybe take a look at your racer's helmet right now, and if it has one of the older specs, especially if you know that they've had it for a while, then it's a really great time to replace that. And so I do have a couple of options. Love the Zamp helmet that we have. It's all race ready, so it's got speakers on the interior. You know, that's always a challenge for racers to be able to hear what's going on in the tower, and it's already set up. So this one looks like it's set up for the Receiver Fusion, which of course we have on the shelf as well. And of course this could be, they could use a different one if they wanted to. We also have some Bell helmets that are up on our shelves here. So depending on what size you need or what style you would like, you can take a look at what our offerings are. But a helmet is a next level gift for a racer, but it's also a really great gift for a racer. So we've got some of them in stock. We show all of our inventory online on our website at CrateInsider.com. Unfortunately, the holidays are a time when trailer theft really goes through the roof. And so if you're looking for a solution, you know, if you were trying to call up and say, hey, wow, my white trailer was stolen, I don't know that much gets done on that because so many of them are not recovered. So another great gift idea is our GPS tracker, our Track and Recover. This will actually send a signal right to your phone. There's no wires, you can hide it. It's really low profile, really easy to hide, and so this GPS tracker is a fantastic choice for a gift idea. Great stocking stuffer. It looks great, and well, it looks great in the package, but it just doesn't look like much. You can see actually it looks like that, and that's the whole point. Is it's about the size of a credit card, really thin. I guess we've got this one sealed up here, but really thin, so you can really sneak it anywhere inside of a trailer, and a thief would never even find it. It's not attached to any batteries or anything else, so no batteries, no wires, undetectable really, but that would really help you to be able to recover your trailer in the event of a theft. So great gift idea, and you can check this out on our website at CrateInsider.com. A gift idea for the racer in your life is a new receiver. So we've got a couple of different choices here at Crate Insider, and one of them is the Fusion, the receiver Fusion, and this one takes looks like a AAA battery, and this is our kind of our classic version of receiver, you know, so the driver can hear everything that's going on in the tower. The other version is our receiver element. This one is USB charged, so you can plug this into any kind of a power box with the USB, and it makes it very easy to recharge. So I know that racers have a very distinct preference on which of these styles they like better. We offer both of them here at Crate Insider. So you can get the battery charged or the battery kind, or you can get the USB version of our receivers. They're both available on our website at CrateInsider.com. Make a great stocking stuffer, an excellent gift for a racer in your life. A really great gift idea, if your racer in your life does not have them, is our valve spring tools from LSM Racing Products. So first of all, I mean, probably the first one they'd start off with would be this valve spring pressure tester. This is an on-the-car tester. It's special because the gauge only goes up to 160 pounds. What's important there is it means it's a lot more accurate. It means that the pounds in between, instead of going to 600 pounds where each tick mark means 5 to 10 pounds, here it only means a couple of pounds. So very nice and accurate, you know, as accurate as you can be for a on-the-car tester. But then when a racer knows that it's time to change their valve springs, the next thing we need is our valve spring changer, and that is also from LSM. And this top part to go up and down, this is to be able to push the spring down, or push that down so you can remove the keepers and then be able to take the springs off. Now you can move this with a box wrench, or you can be super fancy and get the speed handle right here, and it just makes really, really quick work of moving this up and down. It's really nice and accurate. So the speed handle, and then next up, once those springs are on the car, then you're going to want to adjust the valve lash, and this is our valve lash adjusting tool. We sell it with the 3/16 inch T tool here, so that it can be exactly the right size for our crate engines, so 602s and 604s, and so it's perfect for that. So those are our LSM valve spring tools, a great addition for your racer gifts. I've got some more great tools. They're from our friends over at Longacre Racing Products. And the first of them I want to mention as a great gift idea is our tire pressure gauge. This happens to be a basic one. We also have the semi-pro and the, I think it's a pro digital. With all of these are all digital gauges. And what's great about that is if you check a tire pressure and I check tire pressure and we test it with an analog, it's like, you know, if it's 5.8 or is it 6 or is it 6.2, like what is it? If analog is so much harder to read, but when you have digital, digital is digital. It is what it is, no matter if you check it or I check it or someone else does, so you get to be able to be a lot more accurate. Now what's really cool about these Longacre tire pressure gauges is that it can use not just on your race car, but you can also use it like on your trailer. So if you've ever had that happen where somebody takes your tire pressure gauge that you use for your race car, they go use it on a trailer, and then now it really just, it completely messes up the whole internals of that gauge. That's something that's happened in the past, but you don't have to worry about that with these gauges from Longacre. Another item from Longacre, especially in the off season, you know, a big question we're going to start getting on a multi-times a week is going to be, how often should I freshen my engine? And the answer on our side is always, I don't know. You got to just do a leak down test and find out where you're at. So this is the leak down tester that we've used before. We've got one of our older videos on this is our leak down tester, and on one side of this you'll blow it up or have 100 psi, and on the other that's your control, and then the other will show what the engine is leaking down to. So when you get 10% or more, that's definitely time to be taking a look at it. So our leak down tester, another great tool from Longacre Racing Products, and both of these, or all of our, like I said, there's more tire gauges, all of these are available at CrateInsider.com. All right, something that I love probably just as much as racers is I love tools. And so these next tools I want to show off, which would be great gift ideas, is our plumb bob kit and our caster camber gauge kit. Both of these are from Hammond Motorsports. And Dave has lots and lots of videos. Dave Hammond has lots of videos showing how these are used in so many different ways. But these are really great for being able to set up your car properly. Make sure your chassis is square. Even doing things like finding out if your rear end is straight and square. And all of those are going to be things that make a huge difference to work on in the off season before we get started up again in the spring. So these are a couple great tool options. I don't think they'll fit in a stocking, but they would be great for under the tree for any of your gift ideas for your racers. And these are all available on our website at CrateInsider.com. So there you have it. Those are a few ideas for racer gifts for Christmas 2024. Now, this isn't all the things we sell, so there's lots more over on our website at CrateInsider.com. But, maybe in the comments, go ahead and drop in a comment telling us what's your favorite. Tell us what's on your wish list, or tell us what we should have put on to this list. In the meantime, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and definitely look forward to shipping some of these out and knowing that they're going to be under the tree for some great racers out there. I'll see you online at CrateInsider.com.